The idea of a multiple masculinities framework within hegemony highlights that not all men enjoy the same privileges under conditions of gender inequality. In fact, many men are excluded from the benefits of hegemony in various ways. For example, some are excluded based on the intersecting disadvantages that we find in race and class relationships. This results in what we call marginalized masculinities, or men who are marginalized from the hegemonic claim to power. A key marginalized form of masculinity is called protest masculinity, and this has been a key term which has been used in this theory to explain why some men resort to crime and violence. So this describes a gender identity that is characteristic of socially or economically marginalized men, whose perceived claim to masculine power is contradicted by their economic and social inequality. Some men in these marginal positions, who lack the resource to achieve hegemonic masculinity, may therefore resort to alternative ways of showing that they are a man. Protest masculinity may be reflected in hypermasculine aggressive displays, as well as antisocial, violent and criminal behaviour. It has also been associated with misogyny, compulsory heterosexuality, and homophobia and homophobic violence. This has led to some fruitful explanations of men's violence by documenting the consequences and costs of trying to live up to a cultural or hegemonic standard of masculinity that for most men is unattainable.